Let's take a moment to answer the question, what is a database? The database is the heart of your application. It's where all of your information lives, whether that be information about your users or your different entity types. For example, if you are a rideshare type application, your driver information, passengers, cars, locations, all of that would live in your database. The way that you get information from the database to your front end is using the API. That API is the messenger that takes information from the database and runs it to the front end and vice versa. You can also take information from the front end and store it in your database. Xano is that centralized server that provides the server, the database, and the API all together in one, all of the major components of your backend to feed into your front end. One metaphor you can use to describe the database is that of a filing cabinet. If you think about an entire filing cabinet as your database, each one of these folders would be your different entity types. Using that rideshare example again, one folder might be your drivers folder, another might be your vehicles folder, and another might be your different trips. Then, each one of those records is basically an instance of that folder type. So, if my first folder was for drivers, each record would be the individual drivers on my platform. If another folder was vehicles, that might be Honda, Toyota, all the different cars that are on my platform. Then the API would take this information and feed it to the front end. You can find more comprehensive videos about the database on our YouTube channel, but hopefully this gives you a brief overview.